My name is Dr. Stella Major, and I'm a family physician, and I'm an associate professor at Weill Cornell Medicine-Qatar. It's the second year that I'm supporting the team in delivering this conference, and so many wonderful things to talk about. But the number one is really the fantastic audience, the great questions, the engagement that we have, really appreciated. Given that primary care physicians work in many different environments, in different settings, but I think what's happened is that they've really helped us connect the lectures, the themes with their day-to-day practice. A second big plus, honestly, has been listening to our own alumni and just feeling so proud and so glad that they are, sharing the latest evidence, the best, in their own individual fields, and their ability to deliver it in such an accessible and interesting and, patient-centered fashion.